Superintendent of Police SP Jongka West Khasi Hills District Bikram di Marak ulang baki kam snio ha ka district ki ja ha keleng ki benta na kapor syakapor Henry ulang ru bakane kalong ka babha ka bamot ba ki breu kinwan ban bu ya ki jing ujor syaki pulit namar baki don ka jing syanya ya ki bor pulit ha ka interview Bikram ulang baki don bon ki daw babale ki kam snio ki kiu ha ka district Henry on omla ban ai ya ka daw batikna babale ki kam snio ki ja ulang babaro ki tanat pulit ki basim kya ya ki kam baper ha ka bayday bat bon ki kam snio khamtam halor ka posko ki kam snio persya ikan the bat ki wede ki kam snio ulo kenturu ya ki nong snong ban yitre lang bat ki pulit da ka ba ujor halor kano ka kam ka balong artatin ulo ang baki pulit ki dan ya ka helpline number shispa khan art bat rekam baro arso kanta ka ba anla ban penen kam ha ka ban ujor ya ki kam snio.
I will not be able to give the specific reason, but crime do takes place in this present scenario. We go through to curtail the crime. That also the crime. It's a vast subject. We have various hats, like for the special cases are like crime against women and children, where the police, all the police units are out in the field for giving awareness to the people, so that people, when any crime takes place, they come forward and report the matter so that we investigate and can give a justice to the people.
Kumsi benta ban pentikna ya jing shngan bat